So these were on the ship are destination elevators. You simply select the floor you want and it tells you which elevator to go to. There's 6 different elevators. FYI, there's 3 sets of elevator banks on this ship. 1 forward, 1 mid, 1 rear. And you wait for the elevator you're assigned on the screen. And it's supposed to give you the quickest route up to your floor. So when you actually get on said elevator, there are no buttons to push inside except open door, close door, and call for help. There's no floor selectors, no way to change the floor, nothing. You simply step on and no buttons. There is a screen that tells you which floors you're going to, but no buttons.